Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to make automatic staircase lamps. It is more helpful for elder persons and kids for climbing the staircase at night. Now let us see the list of components that we are going to use in our project. This is the serial LED and this is the microcontroller interface board, and it is the ultrasonic sensor, and this is the potentiometer cap, and those are all the connecting wires, and this is the 12 volt input primary power source. Now let us see the connection details of ultrasonic sensor with the microcontroller interface board. As you can see in the video clearly, you can see VCC, trigger, echo and ground in the ultrasonic sensor, and you should connect correspondingly with the microcontroller board. Let us make a connection. As you can see, we have connected 4 wires from the ultrasonic sensor, and now we need to connect these 4 wires with the microcontroller board in the proper order. Let us make a connection. Now we have finished connecting the ultrasonic sensor with the microcontroller board, and let us proceed with connecting the potentiometer with the microcontroller board. And this is the potentiometer, we'll call as pot, and we need to connect that pot with these 3 pins in the microcontroller board. These are all the 3 pins of the microcontroller board. We need to connect this potentiometer with these 3 pins. Let us proceed with the soldering. And now let's connect these 3 wires of potentiometer to these 3 pins of the microcontroller board. And now we have finished connecting the potentiometer with the microcontroller board, and this potentiometer will help us in increasing or decreasing the delay time of the staircase lights. Now let us connect the power supply with the microcontroller board, and in this microcontroller board we have labeled clearly like plus and minus, 12 volt input plus and minus. You can connect any DC adapter, cut this end of the DC adapter, and you will get a red color wire and black color wire. Usually red color wire is the plus and black color wire is the minus. Let us make a connection between adapter and microcontroller board. Now we have finished making the connection between the power supply adapter to the microcontroller board, and ultrasonic sensor with the microcontroller board, and the potentiometer also with the microcontroller board. Now let us connect the potentiometer cap into the potentiometer by cutting the potentiometer extra lead with the help of surface mount cutter. I am cutting the extra lead, and I am attaching the potentiometer cap with the potentiometer. Finally, let us connect the serial LED with the output of the microcontroller board. In the serial LED, you will have the two terminals. Red color is positive one, and white color is the negative one. Let us connect with the microcontroller board. And in this microcontroller board, you can see positive and negative output, positive and negative. In this 2 points you need to connect the serial LED wires. Red is positive and white color is negative. Let us make a connection. Now we have connected all the connections with the microcontroller board, and let us proceed with the demonstration. Now we have made the connections in the staircase. We have attached the connections that we have previously made in this staircase, so that if some person is crossing this staircase, means these lights will get glow automatically. Let us see it's working. You can also control the light glowing time by adjusting the potentiometer. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more tech updates.